If you're in the Capital District and living with chronic back pain, neck pain, or sciatica, you've probably tried physical therapy, chiropractic, medications, injections, or maybe you've even had surgery, and you're still in pain. Still struggling to sit too long, stand too long, sleep through the night, or get through a single day without it taking over. You are not alone, and there is a reason why those treatments haven't given you the lasting relief you deserve. Chronic spinal pain most often comes down to what's happening with your disc joints. Common conditions are degenerative disc disease, herniated discs, bulging discs, and sciatica. And while they can develop in the neck or lower back, they tend to share a common underlying problem. Here's what most people are never told. Spinal discs don't have their own direct blood supply. They depend entirely on fluid movement, the free flow of water, nutrients, and oxygen in and out of the disc to stay healthy and resilient. But when the discs are under chronic stress or compression, that intradiscal pressure builds up and blocks this essential fluid exchange. Nutrients and oxygen can't get in. Waste products can't get out. This process is called disc desiccation. The disc begins to dry out, lose its height, and weaken. The outer wall, the annulus fibrosus, starts to crack and break down. And that's when you get bulging, herniation, nerve compression, and that can cause that searing, radiating pain down your leg or arm. Beyond the pain itself, this can affect everything. Sitting, standing, driving, picking something up off the floor, getting a good night's sleep. The life you used to live starts to feel out of reach. So why haven't the treatments worked? Because most only manage your symptoms. They don't restore the health of the disc joint itself. Pain medications, anti-inflammatories, injections can reduce discomfort temporarily. Even surgery often focuses on removing the herniated material or fusing the spine, but it doesn't address the underlying degeneration or restore the disc's ability to function. If you only chase the symptom and never fix the root cause, the disc continues to deteriorate. The pain comes back, and over time, it gets worse. But that cycle ends here. At Capital Region Integrative Health, we've developed a specialized approach called the Novo-Therapeutic Protocol for disc health. And for our patients in the Colonie, Clifton Park, Troy, Saratoga, and other areas in the Capital District with disc problems, it has been life-changing. The foundation of our protocol is restoring the health of not only the disc, but also the supporting disc joint tissue. Using advanced technologies, we work to reverse the very process that caused the problem in the first place. Our protocol decompresses the intradiscal pressure that's been blocking fluid exchange to rehydrate, drawing water, nutrients, and oxygen back into the disc where they belong. Secondly, the protocol uses a combination of different advanced technologies to also break down the degenerative, arthritic, and scarring tissue in and around the spinal joints. We stimulate the regeneration of collagen, activate your body's own stem cells, and trigger deep cellular repair. Pain signaling is reduced at the source, and spinal mobility and function progressively improve. The result is a healthier disc joint, one that feels better because actually is better, not because the pain is masked, but because the tissue is healing from the inside out. The remaining component of the Novo-Therapeutic Protocol focuses on maximizing your spinal support structure. Through targeted therapeutic work, we rebuild the strength and flexibility of the muscles that support your spine and retrain your biomechanical movement patterns, how you sit, stand, bend, and move through everyday life. When your body moves the way it was designed to, it takes pressure off the discs, protects the tissue, and makes your results last. Together, these components don't just reduce your pain, they restore your function, your confidence, and your life. If you're tired of living in pain, tired of being told there's nothing more that can be done, we want to hear from you. Contact Capital Region Integrative Health today to schedule a consultation and find out if you're a candidate for the Novo-Therapeutic Protocol. You deserve a spine that works for you, not against you. Let's find out if we can get you there.